that will lead us to a fundamental law governing the motion of objects, the law of conservation of momentum. Do you know why the rocket dips or why the gun takes a backward jerk when it is fired? The law of conservation of momentum states that the total momentum of an isolated system remains constant. In simpler terms, this means that the momentum of an object before an interaction equals the total momentum of all the objects involved after the interaction. To strengthen the concept of momentum, we will demonstrate it with the help of an experiment.
I would like to call upon my friends Kushal and Natik to demonstrate a very simple activity on the concept of momentum. Here we have used a string which is attached on the both ends. We have inserted a straw and attached air-filled balloon to it. Let us observe what will happen if we release the nozzle of the balloon.
थ्रेड ऊपर होगा बेटा, थोड़ा सा बेटा, बच्चों बिठा दो जरा। एक बार और, एक और बेटा, यहाँ खड़े होके ना इसको रोप को थोड़ा टाइटली पकड़ ले, खड़ा। हाँ तो बस ज़्यादा तेज नहीं, टूटना नहीं चाहिए। दूसरा स्ट्रॉ है ना, दूसरे स्ट्रॉ में लगा लो। अरे वो अपने आप आगे चला जाएगा। कुछ बोलते रहो, बोलो। दे आर preparing for experiments.
Now they are releasing the nozzle. Now I would like to call upon my friend Jamaica to conclude this activity.
Today, by simple demonstrations, my friends and I have strengthened the concept of law of conservation of momentum. It states that for an isolated system, total momentum remains conserved. Due to this, when air from the balloon comes backward, the balloon moves forward to keep the momentum conserved. Also, based on this simple concept, we have many applications, such as recoil velocity of a gun, lifting of rocket, etc. I hope we all have learned and understood the law of conservation of momentum in a fun and an amazing